Hi guys, welcome back to this new vlog. It was a hectic day because I suddenly decided to rearrange my house. It mostly happens during... Anyways, I was just telling that I rearranged my things again. I don't know why I keep doing this. I think I know. Some sort of newness or peace that I get once I do it. Magnum is my cheat meal today. I don't know, suddenly I was craving for kurkure. You do that. So I got myself one small kurkure packet. Finally, I have this connector so I can use my mic. Done. Okay, it's the next day. Anyways, I'm watching a cute vlog right here. I've changed the layout once again. Like you can see, this one is here. I'm going to use this as a kitchen counter. It's dirty right now. It needs to be cleaned. Bed here, which I'm trying to convert it to a couch. And my favorite couch is here. My crockery stand is here for some reason. And I don't know what to do with this table, so I've just placed it right here. That's his new bed. It kind of looks right now. Hi, I just came here to let you all know that my shoe rack got delivered, right? I don't know if I spoke about it, but I ordered myself a new shoe rack from Home Essentials and it got delivered some 3 days ago, and there was some confusion regarding installation, and finally that person came today and he's installing as I'm speaking, which I'm really excited. I will show you guys in a while how that goes. This is what we have. It is definitely not real wood, but I like it. As you can see, it can hold so many footwears, and it's ready, you guys. And this is how it looks. Half of it is filled. There are shoes and Crocs and some other stuff which I use daily. I'll keep it down so that it's more accessible. I've kept all the blingy heels on the top. Wedges are here and kitten heels are here. High heels. Here is a mix of wedges and few other heels. These are flats. This is my favorite, which I got from Goa. I still haven't worn anywhere. Flats, which I use it on a daily basis. Pretty good. Now this closes like this. I don't know what's got into me. I was craving for Maggi, so I made some. And I've got some chicken. And I'm gonna watch Cocktail. Not bad. It's giving me kacha feeling for some reason. I think it's the cheese. I ordered one from Akshay Kalpa for the first time. It's very milky. I think adding cheese made it bland now. I just finished watching Cocktail 2 finally, and oh my god. Like yesterday I was speaking to my best friend about this movie, Girls Running Beyond Boy, and I really thought something happened between those two. Like this movie was not making sense until that scene came. I was just thinking, what is this movie about? Like, thank god that I watched that scene. I was almost ready to switch off and change to something else. Definitely one time watch. Also, I finished watching Traitor. 3 episodes. Did I mention already? I'm liking this season also. It's a nice show to watch. Can you look at him? That's us playing hide and seek. I don't know why I'm whispering. Look at him, look at him. What is this video? What is this? I keep cleaning and you... Ah! There was a TV here before I took it down. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna place the dressing here. I ordered myself this sugar-free Amul vanilla ice cream just to create Coke float at home. Saw a reel, I don't know, randomly, exact same ice cream, claiming that it is fake, you guys. Apparently, the claims that it's no way sugar-free. That guy was telling it's not sugar-free. Oh, this is only a brand name and does not represent its true nature. Freak. Brands are getting so creative for fooling us. And look at me, a customer. Even after knowing that, I'm eating it. Come out. This section is still pending. I think I'll do it tomorrow. My house helped clean this entire divider, which is great. I've moved the couch this side again. I'm still confused with this layout. I don't know what to do with this. Probably keep it outside and create a small patio kind. My floors have been damaged by my pulling of the furniture from here and there. And I'm yet to decide what to do on this wall. And I'm also thinking to paint this white. Not too ambitious, but let's see when that happens. Also, the back of this chester is bothering me so much. I'm thinking of, should I paint or stick something? Also, this is one of my favorite furnitures from IKEA, but I've just randomly kept it here. Should I move it? There. So what if I paint it white?